This guys, I just gotta let you know how excited I'm to have you here. I've been waiting for my auto guys to show up all week long, so this is pretty awesome to have you here. Super stoked about it. All right, so as you guys are well aware, Milwaukee Tool is the industry leader in cordless ratchets. Back in 2011, we launched our first ratchet with the intention of replacing that hand tool ratchet into a cordless ratchet. But our users jumped all over that opportunity to get rid of their pneumatic ratchets and to move into cordless. First moment they had, they took that tool off the hose, threw it deep in these tool chests to keep collecting dust for years to come. So we saw that transition taking place, and we saw the need for a ratchet with additional torque. So in 2017, we launched our Fuel family of ratchets, providing that additional torque, superior durability, and that slim head profile to get deep into hard-to-reach places. But guys, we are far from done. We're not stopping. We're going to keep innovating on that space and keep providing solutions. And with that being said, guys, I'm extremely excited to be here today to introduce you guys to the newest addition to the M12 family of ratchets, the M12 Fuel Extended Reach Ratchet. This bad boy will be coming in a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 drive. And to demonstrate the benefits you're going to get from this, I'm going to call up Mark to help me Van and White through this one. He's the hardest working man in the industry. Give him a round of applause, guys. Never takes a day off.
That's right.
All right. So what we did with this product is we used the M12 Fuel family as our baseline and provided that additional reach. So if you want to go over under the hood, there's a couple clear benefits here. So if you're working under hood or undercarriage, if this thing's lifted up, or under the dashboard, this tool will give you the ability to get deeper down to those hard to reach fasteners with its slim profile head and extended reach. We'll have plenty of time at the end to get more hands-on, so if you don't get a shot of it, we'll have time for it. All right, the additional added benefit for all you guys, you know if you've used a cordless ratchet, a pneumatic ratchet, whatever it might be, when you finish fastening, there's that little reactionary torque, and you get that great knuckle-busting action. It only takes one time to never forget how that feels.
I don't want to do it anymore. I'm tired of it. Don't make me do it.
No, Mark, you got to do it. You got to do it for the cause, man.
I can't even get it.
All right, so with this tool, you also get the added benefit of keeping your hand a little bit away from those components and protecting yourself from that knuckle-busting torque, which is going to be a huge benefit that's going to resonate with our guys out in the field. All right, give him a round of applause. This guy's killing it.
No problem.
I keep putting him to work.
I'm here for it.
Thank you, thank you. All right, guys. So we added that additional reach to this tool, but to get that reach, we didn't sacrifice any torque or any durability. So as you can see on the wall behind me, with the 3/8 drive, we have 55 foot-pounds of output, and with the 1/4 inch, we're having 40 foot-pounds of output. That should sound very familiar to you guys, because that's the same torque output on our Fuel family of ratchets. And like I said, we didn't sacrifice durability at all to get to this extended reach. We're still using all the premium components that you'll find in our Fuel family of ratchets, like the investment cast steel yoke housing, designing these tools to be extremely durable, because you guys beat the hell out of these things day in and day out. And we expect you to, and we expect them to survive. This guy and the 3/8 will be launching October 1st, just like the die grinder, coming in a bare tool and a 1 battery kit configuration, and we'll also have accessory boots to purchase as well.
When's the 1/4 coming out?
Quarter is coming out at the same time as 3/8 on October 1st.
So both at the same time?
Yes, exactly. Boots will come out at the same time as well.
Yeah, so you get condoms same day.
You can do it the same day, yeah? Perfect. I encourage you to. All right, so the M12 Fuel Extended Reach Ratchets are the newest innovative solution on our M12 family of ratchets, making this the perfect addition to any technician's tool chest. It's going to kill it out there, guys. I'm real excited for this one.
I'll show you why I like this.